spent together 5 unforgettable years of united Europe. Thank you for sharing the same values, principles, and responsibility for the future of Europe. There is no Europe without great spirit, and there is no European Union without strong and victorious European People's Party. And we need more than Lisbon Treaty. We really need strong European spirit.
But dear friends, when we are speaking about 5 years, then we are speaking about a family coming back together.
Thus we all together have achieved very important results for the European Union and its citizens. At the same time, we had to face, and are still facing, a number of very, very urgent and big challenges.
Now all those countries that joined in May 2005 and in January 2007 can enjoy the values, the dignity of the human being, the human rights, democracy, peace, the rule of law, and we are united by the principles of solidarity and subsidiarity.